Gosh, I need to fix that. Welcome to DPV. I'm Josh, and today we're working on Clyde again. Gonna fix up this tailgate that has been giving me fits for years now. Man, I don't know why I haven't dealt with this, because LMC Truck sells a kit that replaces all the hardware in the tailgate, and it's not that much money. I think it was like 60 bucks or something. And it comes with new latches, new trim ring, new handle, and even new cables for the tailgate. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna fix this thing up. So I'll figure out what tools I need to get all this stuff out, pull the latch and stuff off, and we'll get this thing working like new, which will be super, super nice. So let's get after it. All right, well, looks like every bolt on this thing is just T40 Torx. So start busting this thing apart here. Should be pretty easy. Hopefully they're not too stuck. I mean, that one was just loose. How about that? Yeah, easy peasy. Really should use this more. Make my life a lot easier. Yeah. So that one came out so easy because it was detached. But this one still has the clip, so basically, grab a screwdriver real quick. Just pop that like that. And it just pushes on out. After this thing pivots out of the way, you can push that rod down. And that should, pull right out of there. I'll just flip this sucker over and get those last 3 bolts out. I don't normally get projects that go this well, but I've just started. So, all right, let's grab the new stuff out of the box. All right, got the hardware out. So I bought this stuff from LMC Truck. I'll make sure that I link the part number down in the description below. It should all come as one kit. So, got the new latches, new handle, new rods. And I haven't had this bezel for my truck since I've owned it. So it'd be nice to have tailgate looking good. So I think what we'll do first is put the latches on and get these rods pushed in there. One thing I'm kind of concerned about is these were pressed in already, and they're not pressed in the same direction as the factory ones were. Factory one was. See if that makes a difference. All right, let's get it put together here. All right, so that is how it was attached from factory. You just, on that side, slip it in like that. Means it's got to pop in through the backside. I'm gonna have to redo those little clips. screwdriver on the new ones. Alright, so for the handle here, it'll be easier to show you on the green one. See that little clip there? You just have it, you'll just shove the linkage through that hole there. Once you pop it in, then this just clips over the rod. So I'll get that in there and show you what I'm talking about. You can see them in there. Just pop this side in first, and then I use some pliers to hold the rod on this side, because you kind of have to stretch them together or squeeze them together, because the handle's spring loaded, and so there's some tension on there. And so I just grabbed this rod with the set of pliers, popped it up in there, and then hooked the clip in. So oh man, feels much better than the old one. So now this guy, I believe, just pops right in there. Sweet, let's go put this thing on the truck. Feels nice and solid. That looks good. Hardware looks good. So, yeah, let's go put it on the truck. I do think it's better. My bed sides might be tweaked a little bit. Looks a little gappy here. So, but oh man, it's nice to like at least open it easily. But yeah, that one I have to kind of push to get it to latch, but that's all right. So, kind of crazy that just a couple days ago we were swimming. It was 75 degrees because we were in Arizona, and we came home to this. So I guess the groundhog was right. Got a few more weeks of winter, but it's all right. So anyway, that is it for this episode. Should be working on the Big Chief here soon. I think on my next week off, I will be tearing into the motor that's in the Jeep. Before I do that, gotta get that 0 to 60 test done, because I do want to kind of estimate. I want to have an idea how much power I'm gaining with these speed parts. You know, that Summit cam and the Edelbrock intake and whatnot. So we'll be doing that on my next week off. Got a few more items to do here on Clyde. I got to deal with the driver door handle, and then some other odds and ends that probably won't film, but I'll do the door handle. And then Alex and I have a big announcement for an event that we are putting on in June. So mark your calendars for Father's Day weekend. We've got some big plans happening with the hot rods. So we'll be making that announcement here in a few weeks. So stay tuned for that. If you want to support the channel, buy merch on Teespring. We've got a link in the description below for that. A bunch of different t-shirt designs. You can shop on Amazon via any of the links in the description below. We've got a bunch of different tools that we use on the channel. Down there, you can become a Patreon. And then last but not least, just like, share, and subscribe to these videos so we can hit that 1,000 and beyond. So, all right, thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.